You're walking toward the Palau Nacional, located on Montjuïc Hill in Barcelona, Spain. As you walk toward the Palau Nacional, it's easy to assume this is a royal palace from centuries ago. It isn't. This building was constructed in 1929 for the Barcelona International Exposition, a global event meant to showcase Spain's culture, ambition, and place in the modern world. It was designed to impress visitors before they even reached the entrance. The climb, the scale, the symmetry, none of it is accidental. This wasn't built to be lived in. It was built to be seen. Notice where the palace stands, elevated above the city rather than within it. This placement was deliberate. In 1929, visitors approached the building by climbing terraces and stairways, with the city gradually coming into view behind them. The experience was designed to slow movement and guide attention. From this height, Barcelona appears more organized. Streets align, districts separate, and the scale of the city becomes easier to read. Here, the design doesn't just mark a location, it shapes how the city comes into view. Here's something most people don't realize. When the 1929 exposition ended, this building no longer had a defined purpose. It had been constructed for a specific event, and once that moment passed, its future was uncertain. Rather than being dismantled or left unused, the palace was gradually adapted. Over time, it was converted into the Museu Nacional de Catalunya, where it now houses collections that span centuries of Catalan art and history. What was once designed for a temporary role became part of the city's long-term cultural landscape. Its survival came through reuse, not preservation. At a glance, this building feels ancient. That's intentional. Its architects borrowed styles from Spain's past: Renaissance domes, Baroque symmetry, classical arches. The goal wasn't innovation, it was familiarity. They wanted visitors to feel history, even if the stone was new. And it worked. Over time, repetition became memory. Memory became permanence. This palace doesn't feel old because it is old. It feels old because it convinced us. As you walk around the palace, notice how people move here. Some stop for the view. Some rush past. Some sit without looking up at all. This building has played many roles: symbol, backdrop, museum, viewpoint, and now it's simply part of the city's rhythm. Not frozen in time, just quietly present.